Introducing the AirCliner, the most comfortable, versatile Crazy Creek product to date. Crafted with adventure in mind, these chairs are designed for those who demand the best. Made from extra durable, recycled 420D 210D Ripstop nylon, and featuring carbon fiber supports, they're built to withstand whatever your day throws at them. Need to set up quickly? No problem. The AirCliner inflates in 5 breaths or less, thanks to the simple two-way airflow valve. Worried about quality? Don't be. This chair is built to the same demanding specs of all Crazy Creek products. You can trust in Crazy Creek for years of adventure. The AirCliner is ultra compact, rolling up to a mere 2.7 inches in diameter and weighing just 29 ounces. Say goodbye to bulky seating options and hello to convenience. Pack the AirCliner wherever you go, and trust that Crazy Creek's got your back. Comfort, compactness, and adventure await. Get your AirCliner today and experience outdoor seating like never before. Crazy Creek products, perfecting just sit there.